a great choice today with the 2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.